How to join a group on Roblox. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Roblox. Click on More at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then you will find Communities. Click on it. Before, it used to be Group. You can simply click on Communities, as it is the same thing. Then at the top, click on More Communities with the arrow. After you've clicked on More Communities, you will find this kind of screen pop up. You can simply scroll down and search for the group in here, or click on Search at the top and then search the group you want to join. Click on the group. Then you will find Join Community option. Click on Join Community and you will be joined in the group. This is how to join a group on Roblox. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps